Okay, so this is for the week 4 on material science, and we are making the next 2 slides. So this is one slide. Pause this video so you can create this slide when I'm done with this tutorial on how to create this. And this is the next slide. Again, pause the video, rewind the video to get back to this. So these are the 2 slides we'll be making, um, and we're going to do that in SketchUp. So how to do that? Use the select command. Select command is the space bar. If your space bar is not working, go ahead and click here. This is the select command, and select. Um, this is rebar for the footings. The footings are going to go right here, 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 here. Now, I put them in a particular place where it's going to be easy to just move it into place. So if you hit the letter M for move, if you don't know where the move command is, it's right over here. Click on that, same thing. And we're going to move this along the green axis. And so I'm not going to select on top. Do not select on top. Select over here on the side. Make sure it says on green axis like it does here. And then type in 25. So 25 apostrophe. And if you'll notice down below on the right hand side, corner, it automatically types it in that spot. You don't have to click in that spot. SketchUp knows your intentions when you are typing in distance. So once you're done with that, hit enter. Oh, also, if your apostrophe doesn't work, just do your best to move it into place. And that's it. But you can see where it says 25 feet 1 inch on the bottom right hand corner. 25 feet 9/16. Again, we're moving this on the green axis, and so that's really close to 25 feet if um, you were just moving it by the mouse cursor or the pad, and then just hit enter. So 25 feet, hit enter, and that's it. That's how you move that one. Again, get the select tool again. It's right over here, or you can hit the space bar. I like hit the space bar because it's faster. Move 25 feet, enter, and it's the same way. So I'm not going to move this on the green axis. I'm going to move this on the red axis. Again, make sure it says on the red axis. 25 feet, enter. Hit the space bar again, click out of there. I like to click off of things that are selected so it turns from blue to its normal color, because you can accidentally move things. And so this one I'm also moving on the red axis, 25 feet, enter, done. So I jump back to the select tool, and then I just left click in the middle of nowhere over here. This, we're going to move 25 feet. So I'm not sorry, 25 feet, 50 feet. And bam, there you go. It, again, click off of that, and it should line perfectly up with this. There we go. And it's a little off, so I'm going to go ahead and fix that. So how I fix that is I use the stretch command. So when I go up in here, I can select this, and if you can't see through, then you can use other commands to help you see through. So this is the letter K, and you want to grab this middle nodule right here, this little node, and then you can stretch this whole thing. And so I just want to move this very slightly. And so I don't want it completely. All right, that seems pretty good. And then select out of that. And there you go. This is how your foundation should look. You see the anchor bolts. They're kind of floating in the air. Usually they're tied to the forms. And so don't worry about that. Go ahead and position this in such a way to where it will look like this slide. And that way you can see the anchor bolts, you can point to it, you can point to the rebar tie and the rebar. You know, here's the rebar ties down here. So you'll be able to showcase that anyway. So how to download this as a picture is just right here, File, Download PNG. Make sure you click Transparent Background and then Export as PNG. Save it to your files, wherever you need to save it to, and there you go. I've already saved this, and this is what the final product looks like. Make sure you point out to the rebar, point out to the rebar tie, the anchor bolt, and you're good to go. Label it as such, and there you have it. The next portion we'll make up Ketchup. So I'm going to zoom back out. If you have a mouse wheel, use your mouse wheel. You can zoom in, zoom out. If you do not, you can hit the letter Z and left click, go in, go out. And you should see a foundation. Okay, so here's the foundation right here. Actually, the concrete that we're gonna put in there. So it's gonna look like it's been poured concrete. Same process. You just move it. All you gotta do is move it 100 feet. Type in 100 apostrophe enter. Done, and it lines perfectly up. If you're gonna eyeball it, make sure it lines up on the red axis, and that distance right there at the very bottom right hand corner, make sure it says 100 feet. So I grabbed it from the wrong space. So let's grab it from up here. Make sure it's still on the red axis, and bam, 100 feet. Click, left click, done. I don't need this, so I can delete that. And then just zoom in and really get in on the anchor bolt sticking out. And that's it. Go ahead and create this slide. You know how to download. Go up to your Save As, Download, PNG. Make sure you click that transparent background so you don't see the green. Export as PNG. Done deal. All right, that's it. Create the slide. Point to the concrete slab and point to the anchor bolts. And that's it.